Meaning of hoax.
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 Hoax. A hoax refers to a deliberate deception or trickery, typically perpetrated for personal gain or amusement. It involves spreading false information designed to mislead and deceive people. A hoax can take various forms, including rumors, fabricated news stories, practical jokes, and counterfeit products. The consequences of a hoax can be damaging, leading to public confusion, loss of trust, and even harm to individuals or society. Therefore, it is important to verify the accuracy of information before sharing it and to be cautious about sensational claims or unverified sources.